Hello, how are you today? Today we are building the business. We are talking about around the business. The business can be your personal goals or professional goals, whatever your goals are. And we're talking around the as a masterminding. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm a consultant of Thinking to Result. My mentor is Bob Proctor. And this is what I have learned from my mentor, Bob Proctor. Everything works according to the laws and the universal laws and your own mind. You have to know the laws. You have to know how your own mind works. It's not about gathering the information. It's about understanding your own mind. So today's lesson, I want to talk about how can you square your result faster. Logical actions sometimes doesn't take you more faster, taking the steps. Sometimes we take in the frustration and we taking the action and action after action. But only if we know we can contemplate using your own mind and multiply the square yourself as your result. How you can square your results faster and rather than taking the steps and with the frustration and faster and we taking the action after action and then we are not seeing the result around our goals, the business we want. And so how we can change that, how we can change the result. And you can say, I'm taking the action every day with the frustration and with the logical mind, and I'm not seeing the result. Why is that? Why I'm not seeing the result? And doing things every single day around my business, I'm taking the action and I'm not seeing the result according to the way I would like to see. As you know, we are living in the three planes. We have to understand our own mind, and then we can square, quantum leap, multiply the results. How we can do that? Multiply the result, you square yourself, and quantum leap. So there is a other way to take the action, not with the frustration, taking action after another action and taking another action, and then we're not seeing the change. So the reason is because we are not aware of our own mind. You have to aware of your own mind. As I said, we are living in the three planes. We're living in the mind, body, and spirit. Mind is your thoughts, and your spirit is everything in your body, and your action, mind, body, and spirit. And the body is an action, how we take action according to how we think and feel. So now I'm going to talk about the spirit, how we can multiply, how we can quantum leap, how we can use square yourself. And from my mentor, I have learned you have to surround yourself with like-minded people, and who they can bring you up, and they can understand what are you trying to achieve. And if people they don't understand you, what are you trying to work around, and what is your goals, and if they're not like-minded people, they're gonna bring you down, and they're gonna say, oh, no way you can achieve this, or no way you can do that. But then this is the reason my mentor said you have to have a mastermind with a like-minded people, where you can share your goals, you can share the information, and you can ask questions, and the people can answer you, and people can help you, and they can bring you up than pulling you down. Most of the time, if people don't understand what is your goals and why they're so big goals, and they're gonna pull you down, they're gonna tell you, no way you can achieve this. So this is the reason we have to have a mastermind group where you can talk about your goals, and you can ask for the help, and then everybody's gonna work on your problem, and they're gonna bring the solution out. Everybody, most of the time, the mastermind class is around 8 people, no more than 12 people. So keep it small group and with the like-minded people, and start sharing your goals, and then start sharing the problems you are having. And then I'm sure mastermind, this is the meaning to have a masterminding class, and people are going to help you. They're going to raise you up rather than pulling you down. So there's always you're going to get the help. So I am masterminding here, also sharing the information, what I have learned. And masterminding is not just one way, it's a both side. Is you have to leave the questions, you have to ask the question, and you have to leave the comments. Then I know what your needs are, then I can share according to. So this is what is a masterminding class is all about. It's a both way communication and both way working around your goals. So goals can be your personal goals, professional goals. So how you can square yourself, how you can contribute, how you can multiply your results, being a part of the like-minded people, to have a mastermind group, and then start every week or every day or once a week or twice a week, start talking about the help you need. And that way you can start talking about the things, the help you need. And that's the only way you can start doing the masterminding group, masterminding class. And that's the only way to learn things. I think that's all I wanted to share with you, how you can multiply your result and square yourself, and ask your problems, and then masterminding always gonna help you to help you around your goals. So I'm masterminding also here. You can ask questions, and without questions, I don't know what your needs are. And you have to ask questions, you have to leave the comments, and you have to share your goals and what are you trying to achieve. That way you can get more help. So I think that's all I wanted to share with you today. And that way you can contemplate and square yourself and solve your problems. To have a mastermind class, you have to have a mastermind class, or somebody who's alike, and you can talk, and accountability, send message each other, and you can talk about your goals and results. And yeah, I think it's very important to have someone where you can share your goals and ask for help. I think that's all I wanted to share with you today. Hopefully you're going to have a mastermind group, and this is a mastermind group also. If you take action, also ask questions, and leave the comments, and that way is some both sides communication, and I can help you around your goals. Thank you for watching the YouTube. What I'm sharing with you, Bob Proctor talked about this information more than 60 years, and he knew how the mind and the universal laws work, and that way he learned. Yeah, I think he knew how the mind works and how the universal laws works, and he taught this information more than 60 years because he knew how this information works, and because people used it and it worked and still working. I have used it, it's working for me, and I worked around my goals. I have used it and it worked for me and still working for me every single day. And you can start using the information also. And hopefully this lesson going to help you. And thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Watch the YouTube again and again to understand this information. Is coming direct from my mentor, Bob Proctor. All I'm doing facilitating these lessons. And thank you, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.